want to start off with a view from Del Mar. Of course, the race is back open today. Gates open at noon. I'm forecasting a high about 73, 74 degrees here this afternoon under sunny skies. And I'm still watching for the potential for fog. So the marine layer much less extensive this morning. So patchy, possibly dense fog is going to be possible for the commute. So I'll be keeping my eyes on that. But for right now, as you're heading out, things are looking great. It's a little bit cooler because of the lack of cloud cover. In fact, 58 degrees in Poway, where a lot of kids are heading back to school today. The same in Oceanside. El Cajon, 62 degrees, as a lot more kids head back to school there. We're wishing all of you a wonderful school year ahead. High pressure builds and peaks today. Today will be the warmest day of the week. As I was mentioning, excessive heat warning for our deserts pretty much all day today. It starts at 11 a.m., goes until 8 p.m. Temperatures away from the deserts are only about 2 to 5 degrees above normal. Temperatures will drop starting tomorrow, but the humidity will start to climb on Saturday, and that continues into early next week, and this is all due to that monsoon moisture making a comeback. It's really going to stay nice along our coast, though. Temperatures will stay in the 70s. We'll get close to 80 degrees today and then possibly again by Sunday and Monday. Inland neighborhoods 90s today, then we're in the 80s, and then we're right back into the 90s on Sunday, and that Sunday 90 is going to be feeling a lot more uncomfortable than the 92 today because it is going to be more humid. Temperatures in the 90s today in the mountains and then dropping to the low to mid 80s tomorrow into the weekend, and 2 more days above 110 in the deserts, 104 and 105 this weekend.